Hey there, Garrett here from Jonard Tools. Welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to take you through what's in the Fiber Optic Prep and Clean Training Kit. It's one of our newest toolkits that features some of our most sought after fiber optic tools. The part number is TK-615. Let's dig in and have a look. First, let's look at the bag it comes in. The convenient, durable, and ever popular rugged 21 pocket tool case, part number H90. And here's what's inside. Our fiber optic polishing work mat designed to provide a workspace for fiber maintenance while also increasing visibility of fiber scraps, part number FWM2214. An ergonomic cable splicing knife, perfect for cutting through some of the strongest types of cables, part number KN7. A convenient fiber scraps disposal can for allowing safe disposal of cleaved fiber ends, part number FDC66. One of Jonard's top sellers, our round cable strip and ring tool, part number CST1900. A buffer tube wringer for providing quick access to fibers inside of buffer tubes from 1.2 millimeters to 6 millimeters, part number BTR6. Jonard's fiber optic tweezers designed to handle electrical wire, fiber optic cable, and small electrical components, part number FTW5. Our long nose pliers, part number B long nose. Our microduct cutter, great for quick, clean, and straight cuts in PVC, CPVC, HDPE, and other plastic materials, part number MDC28. Our visual fault locator kit, designed to detect fiber breakpoints, fiber leaks, poor connections, and stress points, part number VFL 150. A fiber inspection microscope, part number FIM 200. Our ever popular wire and Kevlar cutting shears, part number JIC 186. Dry wipes for cleaning fiber, part number DW90. A spray can of fiber cleaning liquid, part number FCF-3. A molded 2-pocket tool pouch, part number H60. And lastly, but certainly not least, the world's most popular fiber optic stripper, part number JIC 375. At Jonard Tools, we're dedicated to empowering professionals with the highest quality tools, and this comprehensive package is a testament to our commitment to excellence. Upgrade your fiber optic toolkit today with the TK-615 Fiber Optic Prep and Clean Training Kit from Jonard Tools. And that's it for today's video. Be sure to like, share, and comment below. Subscribe to our channel for more tips and product launches. Thank you for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.